Yo YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Basically in today's YouTube video I'm going to show you guys how to fix this issue with your USB drive having a bunch of partitioning stuff. Basically, as you can see, it says please insert a disk into USB drive F. So it's not going to work. You can't go in it. Trying to format it, it's just going to say this, that it's unknown for the capacity. So what you want to do is you want to go into your command prompt as administrator, and then you want to go disk part, which is disk partition, and then you want to go list disk. Okay, oops, disk. Okay, and then you have two disks, this 0 and this one. So basically, your disk 0 should always be your solid state drive or hard drive, unless you're booting from a USB drive, which that's gonna be your main drive because that's where Windows is going off from. And your disk 1 is gonna be your secondary drive, which I have 57 gigabytes. So basically what you want to do is you want to press select disk 1, and then disk 1 is now selected. So basically what you want to do is you want to press clean, put clean, and then now it's clean. So this is what you want to do. When you try and go in here, it's not going to work. Exit out here, and you want to press format, create and format hard disk partitions, and then you see this right here where this black line is. Basically the black means it's not being used, but the disk is online, so that's weird, right? It's actually not. Go ahead and click right on your mouse, new volume, click next, and you want to put the alright. So basically right here, megabytes is like similar to gigabytes a little bit. 1,000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. 2,000 megabytes is 2 gigabytes. So maximum disk space in megabytes is 59,000. So which for me is 59 gigabytes. So whatever it is for yours right here, you're going to put it in this box, the exact same number. Not this, but this on the top right here. Click next. And then you can assign a drive loader if you want. So I'm going to put D. If you don't know what your drive is, exFAT or NTFS, just go into your file explorer. Go right here, go to formats, and then you want to just restore device defaults. So this it's fat, but since it has 69 gigabytes, you want to put this right here, or exFAT, either one works fine. Alright, so I'm gonna put this. You can change this to whatever you want. Secondary USB drive. Click next. Also, if you guys didn't click this right here, click it to perform a quick format. It'll make your drive go way faster. Click next, and then you want to click finish. Just give it a second here to do its thing. Basically your disk 0 is your main boot drive. As you can see, healthy boot page file, crash dump, basic data partition, and all that stuff right there. Okay, it's done. Secondary USB drive plugged in. You can exit this, and you can now go right here and look at all your stuff. As long as it's plugged in, you guys can access it, obviously. Now, just to make sure that it is working, just create a new folder. I'm gonna call this GTA 5 mods, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put something in there like how about this right here. And if it works, then it works. You know what I mean, guys? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new, please subscribe to the channel. Peace out.